because today there is some interactive classes. Okay, no teaching regarding this homework, holiday homework. I want to tell you something, and all of you please come to video mode. Ankita,
Yes, sir.
in your half-yearly exam, I had gone through your paper. This 2, 3, 4 marks you have done well, but what happened to 1 mark question? I found many mistakes in 1 mark question.
Yes, sir. I always face one more question difficult, but I
That's
tried, sir, how much I can.
that's what I thought. 2, 3, 4. You have started with 1 mark question, I think. Uh, so 2, 3, 4 marks question you have done well. So,
Yes.
Anvesa's paper. No, I had not checked. And very interesting thing. Let me share with you one interesting thing I found. In 4 papers, 4 answer sheets, question number 35. Question number 35 for 5 students. They have written one solution of integration, class 12. So, why they have done that one, still I am not understanding. Everything as per the question paper they have attempted. Question number 35, integration of class 12, one question they have done. So I thought that maybe her sister or brother they might be in class 12. So class 12 question paper they might have attempted. And I found in class 12 also 35 number that question is not there. So after reopening I have to ask them. Okay, so how many are present today? 24. Okay. So, for holiday, you have to do 2 things. Okay? Are you listening, all of you, carefully? I told you all to come to video
Yes, sir.
mode. Only Om and
Yes, sir.
Ankita. Others, use all of you. Switch on your video. No problem. Anvesa, Ganesh, Mansa, Srija, Akash. I will send a link as a homework. I will send a link. Okay, one video. It's very interesting. One video I will send. Okay, I'm trying to send the video directly. If it is not possible, then I will send the link. Okay, that is of 1 hour 22 minutes. Okay, you have to watch the video 2 times, 3 times. Okay, because it is explained by one of the renowned, not mathematician, you can say him as a mathematician, as a scientist. He has all the knowledges, not only mathematics, math, science, even science, physics, chemistry, biology, everything. Okay, so that I will share with you, and based on the video I will give you one question. Okay, and that too you have to write in Google form. Okay, so that video link and Google form link, these 2 links I will send. Okay, first you will watch the video, then you have to do the exercise based upon the video, and that questions will be given in Google form. Okay, means that there are 8 questions. 8 questions, but it will take one question, it will take 2-3 hours, that type of question, but very interesting. Okay, so that will be one activity during your holidays. Okay, another one, you have math activities, math lab activities. Do you know?
No, sir.
Actually, you have 80 marks question. Na?
No,
Theory
sir.
is 80 marks. So 20 mark based upon activities, lab activities. Okay. In class 9, I think you might have done a lab activity, math lab activity, or not done?
Yes, sir.
Sir, in ninth we have done, sir.
9th you have done. Na? So just like that. Okay, in class 10 also, there are 20 to 25 activities, but we will go for only 10 activities, the selected activities. Okay, that. So
Okay.
unless you come to school, the activity cannot be done. But I want that prior to physical activity, you finish the writing part. Okay, I will tell you how to write, and yeah, then I will send the PDF file of that also. At least 5 activities. 5 activities. Writing part you finish. Okay, if any readings are there, that you just leave the blank. Whenever you will do the activity, you will write the maybe the measurements or anything that you will fill up afterwards. But writing part you can finish. Have you got your lab manual?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Okay.
No, sir.
So
No,
one
sir.
thing, if you have not got lab manual, you can buy it from outside. Means record. Oxford record is there,
Okay,
practical
sir.
record that you can use. Understood?
Yes,
Practical record which is available in the
Class
market.
9th one.
Hmm?
Sir, can we use the class 9th one?
Class 9th you might have written there already.
I have not written, sir.
And anything, and it is totally blank.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can use that. Okay, if you have, you can use. Otherwise, you buy from market. Practical record. Okay. So, how to write? Just I am sharing the screen. Can you able to see the screen now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
See
Yes, sir.
here one example I am showing you. Okay. So, can anybody read what is activity 1?
Sir, can I read, sir?
Yes.
Sir, objective to find the HCF of two numbers experimentally based on equivalent division lemma.
Okay.
Then
So
materials
this
required: cardboard sheets,
glazed papers of different colors, scissors, ruler. Okay. So this is your activity 1. Okay. So what you will write in your record? First you will start with objective. Okay, this headings headings you can write, you can use any other colored ink. except red. Okay, don't use red color, any other color for headings. Okay, so first you will write objective, then materials required. Okay, then method of construction. See, you listen carefully, then what is your doubts you will ask. Okay, method of construction, this one you will write, and these paper cuttings. Okay, these are the paper cuttings. These paper cuttings, you will cut the these papers from your scrapbook. Okay, you might have the scrapbook. From that scrapbook, you will cut out these pieces, and this part, this one you will fix in white side. Okay, left side white paper will be there, na? So that side you will paste it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and one more important thing. Suppose activity 1 you started in page 1. So just left to that, don't paste anything. Understood my point? In which page you have started the activity, left to that page, don't paste anything. Okay, means activity 1, it's all the figures or anything you have to paste. Back side you will paste. Okay, not on the same page. So here it is given that cut one strip of length A units, one strip of length B units. Okay. For example, here it is given B less than A. One 10 centimeter and 7 centimeter you can take. Okay, two strips. Two strips each of length C units, one strip of length D units, and two strips each of length E units. Okay, based upon this measurement, B must be less than A, C less than B, D less than C, E less than D. Okay, so like this is one piece, A units, B units, C units, two pieces you will make, D units one piece, E units two pieces. Okay, thereafter, as per the instruction it is given, you have to paste all this. Okay, first you will cut the pieces. That means you have to cut two sets. One set separately you will paste, and another set you will use like this: A units and B units. Okay, here B, C and D units, then C, D, then D, E, like this. Okay, thereafter it is given that A is equal to B into 1 plus C, because here see, here it is given that the largest strip is of A units. Okay, and the smallest one is E units. So it's between A and E. How to find out the HCF? Experimentally, without using any number, any integers, we will find this one. So here it is given A is equal to B into 1 plus C, where C is the remainder. Then B is equal to C into 2 plus D. As per this one, as per this figure. I will make you understand. Just you finish the writing part. Okay. Then here you see observation.
Write everything by our own.
Yes. Of your own you can cut the pieces. As per the instruction.
We don't have
but in observation, observation don't write anything. A is equal to this one, B is equal to C, D, E, here it is asked in measurements. This one you can write. And what measurement you have taken, that you will write here, A, B, C, D. Okay. So HCF of this one and this one is equal to this.
Okay.
Then application.
Sir, we don't have lab kit.
What?
We don't have lab kit.
No, lab kit not required. Where it is given lab kit? See, this one materials required, na? See, here cardboard sheets, glazed papers of different colors, scissors, ruler, sketch pen, glue, etc. All these are required when you will do the practical here in school. But for writing part, for writing the record, na, you just mention all these. But these pieces, you have to paste in your record only. Okay. And in school, in laboratory, we will, you all of you will do the same activity using cardboard. Okay. So like this, first comes objective, then materials required, then method of construction, then demonstration, okay, then observation and application. Okay, and another thing, method of construction. Method of construction. You, how to write, you know? Method of construction.
Stepwise, sir. Point wise, sir.
Point wise. No, already it is given. You have to write in passive voice. Okay. You have to
Okay,
write using passive voice. Do you know how to be written in passive voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the process? Tell me. Why it is not coming? Okay. What is that? Here it is given, cut out one strip of length A units, one strip of length B units. Okay, the first one. Can any one of you tell me how to write the same thing in passive voice?
Let one strip of
Sir,
length.
a strip. A strip of length A unit have to be cut.
Just use your passive voice. For example, cut out one strip of length A units. No, you will start like this: one strip of length A units, one strip of length B units, two strips each of length C units, one strip of length D units, and two strips of each of length E units are cut from the cardboard. Okay, then these strips in different colors are covered using glazed papers. Okay, you have to make it passive. Passive is hard to convert active voice to passive voice, you know now. Do you know or not? For example, I am telling you that
No, sir.
cut the paper into two pieces. When I am ordering, okay, I am instructing, I am saying that cut the paper into two pieces. But when you are doing that work, when you are cutting and you are doing that work, what you will write? Now you will write that the paper is cut into two pieces. Okay, don't use passive voice, sorry, past tense of passive voice. Okay, in present tense only. So the paper is cut, or a length of this is drawn, like this. Huh? Okay, Ankita,
Yes, sir.
I will say sit down. What is the passive voice of that?
Sir.
Sit down.
Sir, which one, sir?
Sit, no,
Sit down.
sit down.
Passive voice.
Huh.
Sit, sit down. Passive form. Sir, it will remain the same, na, sir?
No. Orders.
You sit down.
You sit down. No, that is also order. No? Sit down means you sit down. Same thing.
Let you be sit down.
Very good.
Seated.
Very good. Very good. Let you
Be
be
seated.
sit down. Let you be sit down. I will tell you. Post the letter. Let the letter be posted. Okay. Mane, all the imperative sentences. Do you know about imperative sentence? Imperative sentences where the subjects will remain silent.
Yes, sir.
When the subjects remain silent, those are called as imperative sentences. Okay, mostly when we're expressing, we are giving orders. Okay, we're requesting something. In that case, we are not using the subject. It remains silent because we're pointing at somebody and saying, sit down means I will point at some student and I will say that sit down. So it is not required that I have to use the word you. Okay. So all the imperative sentences in passive voice starts with let. Let, then the object, the letter, then be you will use, then third form of V3 of the verb. Okay, everything. Shut the door. Let the door be shut. Okay, so from mathematics to we move to English class. So understood method of construction that you will write in passive voice. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and you will find very interesting things. Okay, experimentally how HCF is found. So like this, observation and application. Very neatly you will write. Okay. So like this, I will give you 5 activities. Okay. Not exactly serial 5 activities. The selected activities. There are 20 or 25 activities in NCERT. So 10 activities, we will go for 10 activities. Out of that, for this vacation, I will give you 5 activities. Okay. Or 3. No, let it be 5 activities. Okay. 5 activities I will give. So, okay, let me stop sharing the screen. So, you have 2 works. One is I will send a video. Okay, you have to watch the video carefully. Based upon that, you will do your work, homework through Google Form. You will submit your answer. Understood, all of you? This is one
Yes, sir.
holiday homework. Okay. The second thing is that these 5 activities. I will send the PDF file of 5 activities, and those 5 activities you will write in your record. And whenever you have doubt, you can ask me through my WhatsApp number. Okay. If I am free, you can call me. If I am not free, then you can send message through WhatsApp if you have any doubt regarding your
Okay, sir.
homework. Understood, all of you?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So,
Yes, sir.
so today by evening,
Yes, sir.
you are getting this homework. Okay. Okay then. Have a nice day. And
Thank you for the class, sir.
Thank you, sir.
thank you. Enjoy
Thank you
your
for today's class, sir.
Thank you
Thank you,
all, and enjoy
Thank you, sir.
the Dasara, okay, with your family
Thank
Advance
you,
members,
Thank you,
happy
sir.
Dasara, sir.
and
Thank you,
let
sir.
Advance happy Dasara, sir.
thank you all, and same to you. Let all of you be blessed with Goddess Durga. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Namaste, sir. Namaste, sir.
Namaskar.